How to effectively leash train your dog. Leash training is an essential skill that every dog owner should teach their furry friend. It not only ensures the safety of your dog, but also creates a stronger bond between you and your pet. Although leash training may seem daunting initially, with patience and consistency, you can successfully train your dog to walk on a leash. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to leash train your dog effectively. 1. Start with the right equipment. To begin leash training, you need to have the appropriate equipment. A sturdy leash, preferably made of nylon or leather, along with a well-fitted collar or harness, is essential. Choose a collar or harness that suits your dog's size and breed. Avoid using retractable leashes as they can be confusing for both you and your dog. 2. Introduce your dog to the leash. Before attaching the leash to your dog's collar, let them get used to it. Place the leash on the ground and allow your dog to sniff and investigate it. This will help them become familiar with the leash and reduce any fear or anxiety they may have. 3. Positive reinforcement. One of the most effective ways to leash train a dog is through positive reinforcement. Whenever your dog shows positive behavior, such as coming towards you or walking calmly on the leash, reward them with treats, praise, or affection. This will motivate your dog to repeat the desired behavior. 4. Familiarize your dog with walking on a leash indoors. Start the initial training sessions indoors, preferably in a quiet and distraction-free room. Attach the leash to your dog's collar or harness and allow them to explore and walk around while you hold the leash loosely. If your dog pulls or resists, stay calm and do not apply force on the leash. Instead, gently guide them back towards you and reward them for coming closer. 5. Gradually move to outdoor training. Once your dog becomes comfortable walking on a leash indoors, it's time to move the training outdoors. Choose a quiet and familiar area for the first few outdoor sessions. Expect some distractions, such as other dogs or people, and be patient with your dog's progress. Consistency is key, so repeat the training exercises regularly. Gradually increase the duration and complexity of your walks over time. 6. Teach proper leash manners. During the training, it's important to teach your dog proper leash manners. Encourage them to walk beside you on a loose leash rather than pulling or lunging. If your dog starts to pull, stop walking and wait for them to calm down. You can also change direction or use cues like heel or let's go to redirect their attention. 7. Be patient and persistent. Leash training requires patience and persistence. Every dog learns at their own pace, so avoid getting frustrated or giving up. Consistency is key, so dedicate regular training sessions to reinforce good leash habits. Remember to provide positive reinforcement for desired behaviors and avoid punishment or harsh corrections. 8. Seek professional help if needed. If you encounter significant difficulties or if your dog displays aggressive behavior during leash training, it is advisable to seek help from a professional dog trainer. They can provide expert guidance and techniques to help overcome any challenges you may face. In conclusion, leash training is a vital skill for every dog and owner. With the right equipment, positive reinforcement, and consistent training, you can teach your dog to walk calmly on a leash. Remember to be patient, persistent, and seek professional help if necessary. Enjoy the journey of leash training and the stronger bond it creates between you and your beloved pet.